Framer templates. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀marketplace. On the marketplace page, you will find a wide variety of templates available for different types of websites. Scroll down the page until you find a template that fits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, click the Use for Free button to begin applying it to your project. After that, click Copy, and you will be automatically redirected to your Framer workspace. In the workspace, you can start setting up your project using the tools available on the left side of the screen. This panel allows you to organize pages, sections, and components. You can also customize the template by clicking on different elements, such as icons, images, or text boxes directly within the layout. These elements are fully editable, so you can change styles, colors, or content to match your brand. When everything is complete, click the Publish button at the top right corner of the screen.